Well, for me, this course was great in structure, in content, and interactions. I can hear basically I will learn something that I already know, and this for the first day this came down. I learned a lot of new stuff, but most importantly, I learned the same thing that I think that I knew from other perspectives, for other views, from guys with experience in other companies, and perceive the problem in a pretty much different way. I love the breakout sections. I love the coaching practices. Um, like I posted, I love this group. I woke up Sunday energized, and that's not really happening in my life. Sundays it's my lazy days, but with this course is different. But you are excellent facilitator. You are a great observer. All your feedbacks were on point, on target, and I think that really helped us. The content could be great, but without a great facilitator, doesn't matter. So thank you for this journey. Thank you guys for be patient with my broken English. So that's it. I would love to see this group together after the course. So thank you so much, guys.